Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit picture using YouCam application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone, and first of all, of course, you have to download and install YouCam Perfect application on your phone. You can get this application from Play Store or Apple Store, and after you have installed this application, you can open it. And if you want to use this application to edit your picture, you can go to the photo edit and choose the photo you want to edit with this application. For instance, I'm going to edit this photo. Wait. Okay, and here we'll be able to use some features or some tools in YouCam to edit our photo. As you can see, we have a lot of tools right here. And for instance, if you want to remove the background of your photo, you can go to the cadet, and then you just need to wait for a while, and you can click on this check mark. Okay, as you can see that my background has been removed, but I'm not gonna remove my background guys. I'm going to, for example, clone the object. I'm going to go to the tools, and as you can see here we have some features, and I'm going to use this clone feature to clone this object. We can draw on the object we want to clone, just like so. I know that it's not perfect, but this is just for an example, and click on clone. Okay, and I'm going to add one more clone. Okay, then we can click on the check mark, and I'm going to apply a vect. For instance, I'm going to apply a vect to my photo. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then I'm going to go to the magic brush to add magical touch to my photo. I'm going to click on magic brush, and I'm going to choose this one. We just need to draw on it, and this is the result. It's pretty cool, right? And I'm going to apply this one as well. Ooh. And I'm going to apply a rainbow brush. Okay, just like so. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit picture using YouCam application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.